Let us see one more concept, rounding of the numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds or thousands. It's actually a very easy question. What you need to do is, when you have to round off the number to the nearest tens, what you need to take care is, think that in tens how many zeros are there. So 1 0, so one digit underline it, write 1 0, one digit underline, write 0, one digit underline 1 0, one digit underline 1 0. Now you have to think that the underlined digit, is it 5 or greater than 5? If it is 5 or greater than 5, that is, if you have as 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, if any one digit is given, then you need to add 1 to the previous number, otherwise not. So here let us see, this is 3 given over here. So 3, it is not greater than 5. So prior to that 65 is there. So 65 you need to write as it is. Say second number, it's 0, it's not 5 or greater than 5. So 857 remains as 857. For the third question, 6. Is it greater than or equal to 5? Yes. So condition is satisfied. So the previous number is 123. So 123 plus 1, that is 124. Let us see the second example. That is, underlined digit is 9. The condition is satisfied because 9 is greater than 5. So here prior to that it's 908. So we need to add 1 to the previous number. So 908 plus 1, that is 909. Similarly, when you have to round up the number to the nearest hundreds, think that in hundreds how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So 2 digits you need to underline. Last 2 digits you need to underline. Write 2 zeros. And now the out of the underlined digit, see the first number out of that, that is here 5, 7, 3 and 8. The digit at the higher place. So here, if the digit at the higher place satisfies the condition, that is the number should be greater than or equal to 5, then we will add 1 to the previous number, otherwise not. So here the underlined digits are 53 and the digit at the higher place is 5. So the condition is satisfied. So prior to this 6 is given. So 6 plus 1, that is 7. Here second question, 7 is at the higher place. The condition is satisfied. 7 is greater than or equal to 5. 7 is greater than 5. So 85 plus 1, that is 86. Here the out of the underlined digit, 3 is at the higher place. It's not greater than or equal to 5. So prior to that 12 is given. So 12 remains as it is. Now let's see the last example, 89, where 8 is at the higher place. So the condition is satisfied. So prior to that 90 is given. So 90 plus 1, that is 91. Right there, 91. Now similarly we will proceed for the next example. You have to round off the number to the nearest 1000. Think that in 1000 how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So 3 digits you need to underline and 3 zeros. Again you need to think that which of the digits you have underlined, out of that which is the digit at the higher place. So here 6 is the highest place. Is 6 satisfying the condition here, that is it greater than or equal to 5? Yes. So here prior to that nothing is given, that means it is 0 given over there. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. Here 5 is at the higher place. The condition is satisfied. So previous is 8, so 8 plus 1 will be 9. 236, in 236 2 is at the higher place and it's not greater than 5, so 1 remains as it is. In 9089 the digit at the higher place is 0, so it's not greater than or equal to 5, so 9 remains as it is. Thank you. Hello friends, today we will see few important questions. See here, the first question given is form the smallest and greatest 4-digit numbers using all the digits without repetition. So the first question given here is 7, 0, 4 and 3. With these 4 digits you have to form the greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. So here when I have to form the 4-digit number, that to the greatest number, I should start with the greater number, that is 7, 4, 3 and 0. When I have to form the smallest number, remember that 0 will never be the first digit, because when you write 0 as the first digit, it will be 3-digit number and not the 4-digit number. So 0 will never be the first number when you have to form the smallest number. So here 0 I should write as the second digit. Now starting from the smallest number, so here I should have 3, 0, 4 and 7. Let's go for the second example. 3, 8, 4 and 9. So greatest digit 9, 8, 4, 3. Smaller, so 3, 4, 8 and 9. Here 0 is there, so we need to take care here. Now let's form the greatest number. So 7, 5, 4, 0. Smallest number, 0 will never be the first digit, so 0 will be the second digit. So here I should start with 4, 0, 5 and 7. Here again 0 is given, so forming the smallest digit we need to take care, so 0 will be the second digit, and here 4, 0, 6, 9. Now the greatest number will be 9, 6, 4, 0. Now let's see another question. Say, make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers by using any one digit twice. So here 1 digit you have to use it for twice to form the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. So now let's see here, say 4-digit number you have to make it. Now greatest number with this one, so greater digit is 8, so 8 I will repeat it for twice. So 8, 8, 6 and 3. Now when I have to form the smallest number, smallest digit I will use it for twice. So this will be 3, 3, 6 and 8. Let's go with the second example. Greatest number, so here 8, 8, 5, 0. I have to use the smaller number, so 0 will never be the first digit. So I will start with 5, then 0 I will repeat it for twice, and 8. Let's go with the third example. Greatest digit, greatest number, so 6, 6, 4, 0. Smallest 4-digit number, so 4, 0, 0, 6. Let's see one more question with the conditions given. Make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using any 4 different digits with the conditions given. So here the conditions you have to apply it. Now you have to form 4-digit numbers, so I will make 4 blanks over here. Now 6 is at tens place, so as you know this is ones place, tens, hundreds, thousand. This is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. First of all, apply the condition given. So 6 is at tens place, so 6 I need not alter. 6 should remain at tens place only. Now greater number I have to form, so I should start thinking from 9, 8, 7, 6 and so on. When I have to form the smaller number, I should start thinking from say 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now greater number, so I should start with 9, 8, 6 is fixed. I should write 7 here. Smaller number, so I should start with 1, not 0. So 1, 0, 6 is fixed, so 2 over here. Let's see the second example. You want 9 as hundreds place. So 9's place is fixed. Greater number, so I should start with 987. But 9 is already there. So I should write 8, 7, 6. Here 1, 0 and 2. Now here again 4-digit number you want to make. 2 is at thousands place. So 2 I need to write here. It's fixed. Now greater number. So 9, 8, 7. Smaller number. So 0, 1, 2 is there, 3. Thank you.